In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add background color in Smartsheet. If you're organizing tasks, highlighting priorities, or just making your information easier to scan, adding a background color is a quick, effective way to bring clarity to your sheet. Start by opening the sheet where you want to make the change. Once you're in your sheet, decide what you want to highlight. You can click a single cell to color just that one, or click and drag across multiple cells to select a range. Dragging works horizontally across a row, vertically down a column, or in a block if you want a group of cells. Take a moment to make sure your selection is exactly what you intend. Everything that's highlighted will receive the same background color. This doesn't change any of your data. It simply adds a visual cue to make your sheet more readable. With your cells selected, look to the top of the screen for the formatting toolbar. This is the strip of icons you use to format text, align content, and adjust the look of your sheet. Find the icon that looks like a little paint bucket with a drip. That's the fill tool for background color. It's designed to be quick and intuitive. Click the paint bucket icon to open the color options. You'll see a selection of colors you can apply. Choose a color that fits the meaning you want to convey and that keeps your text easy to read. High contrast combinations tend to work best, especially if others will be viewing or printing the sheet. As soon as you click a color, it applies immediately to every cell you selected. If you made a mistake, don't worry. You can undo your last change right away using your standard undo shortcut. That's all there is to it. You've now added a background color to your chosen cells using the paint bucket on the formatting toolbar. You can repeat the same process for other parts of your sheet, using consistent colors to create a clear visual language. For example, one color for items in progress and another for completed tasks. Remember, the goal is to guide attention without overwhelming the content, so keep your palette simple and purposeful. To recap, open your sheet, select the cells you want to highlight, click the dripping paint bucket on the formatting toolbar, and pick your color. It's a small change that can make a big difference in how quickly you and your collaborators understand what matters most on the page. Thanks for watching, and enjoy making your Smartsheet easier to read and manage.